On this lesson, I'm going to show you how to work with instance method. For that, we're going to create a class. We go over here, new item, click on class and on add. Now, inside of the class, we're going to create a method, a non-static method. We're going to give some name like instance method. So now we have to return a value that is going to be a string value. So, and we give inside of it instance. So type inside of the class return, make some question marks and give inside of it whatever you want. By this example, I give instance, and yeah. Now we go over here on the program class and inside of the static void main method, and we create some instance of class 1. So we're gonna type inside of it class 1 new class equals new class, and yeah. Now below we are gonna create some console.readline and give inside of it the value or the return value is plus new class, not new class, and dot instance method. So that's how you can call the instance method or the non-static method that we create over here. And yeah, now don't forget to type below console.readKey to keep the console always open. Now click on save, start, and yeah, as you can see, the return value is instance. So now you can close the console, and yeah, that's how you can create a non-static method. It's very simple. You can call it by creating an instance of the class. You type in class 1 or the class that you just created and give some name, make equal new class, and yeah. And as you can see, you can call it by the name new class dot instance method, and that's the name of the method that we have over here. So, and don't forget to give or to return a value, because it doesn't work without a returning value of string. So if you give some other value that isn't a string, it won't work. If you give in 20, it doesn't work. You have to type inside of it a string value. You can type whatever you want. Instance method. So, and now if you call it, you will see the return value is instance method. And yeah, that's how you can work with non-static methods. It's very simple, and yeah, that's all you need to know about it. And yeah, I hope you liked that lesson, and we're gonna see us on the next one.